Miss Foster is the petitioner. The property that is at issue is actually owned by a deceased person. Her name is Udell Moore. Ms. Moore's estate is being probated in the DeKalb County Probate Court. Probate Court has not ruled on anything in that case. There's been no issuance of letters of testimony, letters of administration, nothing.
Okay.
And as you know, Your Honor, until probate court has ruled on ownership, no one can bring any action for a dispossessory warrant. And so that's our position, is until probate court has said whatever it says, nobody can file a dispo. And I did attach a copy of the deed showing who currently owns the property as part of my answer.
All right.
Excuse me.
Miss Foster.
Yes.
Okay. We speak one at a time, okay?
Okay.
So I asked Mr. Horace to tell me his announcement, and he's given me his announcement of what his position about what's going on. I am going to get to you, and I will ask you your position as well. But I need you to just give me a second, because I want to review his answer and I want to look at the pleadings, okay?
Okay.
So give me a second.
Yeah.
All right. So Miss Foster, who is Udell Moore to you?
My mother.
Okay. All right. And when did she pass?
September 22.
September 22.
Okay. All right. Miss Burns, Miss Foster, I want you to raise your right hand for me, okay? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Burns, I'm going to ask you and whoever else is there to not say anything right now.
Okay.
Miss Foster is the only named plaintiff, so I just want to address her for now. Okay? And it was her mother, so I'm going to let her talk about that.
My mother too.
His mother too.
Okay, so you're her brother?
Yeah, my brother.
Okay. Well, nonetheless, Mr. Burns, you are not named on this case.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask that Miss Foster answer my questions. If we need a witness or something else, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for now, I'd just like to hear from one person at a time. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So Miss Foster, you said your mom passed away in 2022 in September. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And I see a deed here, a warranty deed transferring what is the address of the property where Miss Sandra Burns is residing?
It's 3979 Rowland Place, Conley, Georgia.
Rowland Place?
Rolling, Rowland Place.
Oh, Rolling. Okay, got it.
Rowland.
Okay, and it's in Conley.
Conley, yes.
Okay. So, do you own the property?
No. Well, yeah, our names are on my mama's deeds. All three of our names are on mama's deeds.
Okay.
Yes.
Were those deeds filed with the recorder?
Yes, it was. Yes, down at the probate court.
At the probate court. Okay.
At the probate court.
Okay. And do you have them now?
No, we don't have them.
Okay. All right. So I'm looking at a document that you attached to your dispossessory warrant, and it's the notice to quit / vacate. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And you issued this on December 2nd, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in that notice, you said that you were giving 60 days to vacate the premises through February 2nd, correct?
Yes.
Okay. But then you filed this case on December 4th.
Yes.
Okay. So I find that you did not give proper notice to the defendant in this case. And therefore, I'm going to dismiss this eviction action. I am not making any ruling or determination as to ownership of this property, but it certainly is a question in my mind about whether or not you have valid ownership, because only an owner of a property can dispossess somebody. Okay.
All right.
So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your case. I am going to issue a written ruling. You have the right to appeal my decision. Okay. And that appeal is what we call now a petition for review. And you would
Mhm.
file that within 7 days of today's date.
Okay.
And you would file that either in the state or superior court. That choice would be up to you and any attorney that you consult with. But I strongly recommend that you speak with an attorney about the proper way to go about an eviction.
Yes,
So
yes,
let's sell it.
because we was trying to,
Sell.
you know,
Sell the house.
sell the house.
I get that, and
Yes.
I get that, and
Yeah,
you
both of us.
you got to do it the right way, right? And you know, you may very well have the right to, you might have ownership interest or estate. I don't know. I haven't seen enough documents to make a decision about that. Okay. But at this point, what I can say for sure is that you did not give her enough time under the notice that you gave her. And she has until February 2nd under this notice. And then if she's not vacated by February 2nd, then you could file another eviction. But you may be having the same question about ownership
Right.
at that time too.
Yes.
So I'm not
Okay.
going to rule on that because I don't need to. I can just dismiss the case
Correct.
on this.
Correct.
All right.
Okay.
Mr. Horst, do you have anything that you want to say?
No, Your Honor, your ruling, we can accept your ruling now.
Yes,
We're
that's-
good, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. And Ms. Foster, do you have any questions or anything else you want me to know or say before I put this in writing?
Yeah, but let me just say this. When she asked to move into Mama's house, she signed a agreement for 1 year.
Sure.
1 year.
And we gonna
And
sell.
she would stay there till the house gets sold. Now we are trying to sell Mama's house.
So I
Your
can't
Honor,
give
just,
you legal advice because I'm here as a judge today and not
Right.
as an attorney. So it would be inappropriate for me to answer your question. I mean, it's sort of a question, sort of a statement.
Your Honor, I could provide clarity, but I think your decision is the appropriate one, given the facts today related to the notice. I mean, I could get into what's happening in the probate court, but to your point, I don't think we need to get into that. But I
Yeah,
could if
I
you
mean,
wanted me to about probate.
No,
Yeah.
I don't think we need to. I mean,
Yeah, I agree.
Ms. Foster, even if you were, even if you're 100% the owner, there's no question about that. I would still dismiss your case today because you did not give her proper notice.
Right.
All right. All right. So again, I strongly recommend that you speak with an attorney about this, but maybe a probate attorney. But at any rate, that is going to be the ruling of the court today.
All right then. Thank
Thank
you.
you for your
Right.
patience.
Thank you.
Thank you for being
Okay,
here.
thank
All right. Take care.
All right. Thank you, Your
Bye-bye.
Honor. That's my
Okay.
only case, Your Honor. May I be
you.
excused?
No.
Yes,
Oh,
you may. You
but,
may all be
all right.
excused.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you, Your
Just
Honor.
make sure I
Okay.
have your email addresses so you get a copy of the order.